Hello students, so today we will be starting with a new chapter. The new chapter name is Brick, Beads and Bones. You see, this chapter is one of the most important chapter in class 12 syllabus of part 1 history book. You will be finding this chapter in the part 1 history book. So Brick, Beads and Bones is related to the Harappan civilization. Before going to the next topic, let me explain you some of the things regarding Harappan civilization. You see, if I talk about Harappan civilization, the first site of the Harappa was discovered in the year 1921. In the year 1921, it has been discovered by Dayaram Sahani. Let me write it here. Alright. Dayaram Sahani. You see, during the year 1921, Dayaram Sahani first discovered the Harappan site. The Harappan civilization comprises the whole of Pakistan, parts of Afghanistan and the northern part of India. Second comes the Mohenjo-daro. You see, the second site of Mohenjo-daro was discovered during the year 1922. It was discovered during the year 1922 by R.D. Banerjee. R.D. Banerjee discovered the second site of Mohenjo-daro in the parts of Pakistan and some of the northern parts, northwest parts of India. So we will be going to the next topic now. Now, early archaeological cultures. Now, why this Harappan civilization is known to be the part of Indus Valley civilization and how this civilization became the most massive civilization of all time and the most advanced civilization of all time. You see, Harappan cultures were associated with distinctive pottery, evidence of agriculture and pastoralism and some crafts. Now, during that time, what had happened, parts of pottery, you know, like the mud pots or the terracotta pots were first being discovered in those civilization. And second comes the agriculture. Evidence of agricultural tools were also being discovered during that time. Agricultural tools, for example, which is during that time the stone tools were being discovered. With the help of those tools only, they used to do the agriculture. You see, during that time also seeds of millet, seeds of grain were also being found in the agricultural sites. And then the pastoralism means the bone of the cattle, or you can say the bone of the sheep, cattle, or some of their parts were also being discovered during that time. Second comes the settlements were small and were virtually no buildings. You see, there were only first floor and second floor. Up to second floor building was there, but no high buildings were being discovered during that time. And settlements were small, very small settlements was there during the Harappan civilization, which means only small settlements, not like the villages, but small scattered villages were being found in those parts. It had appeared that there was a break between the early Harappan and the Harappan civilization. You see now why the Harappan civilization was being abandoned. Why people abandoned the place, the Harappan site and the Mohenjo-daro site. Why the place have been abandoned. You see, due to the change in the environmental condition and also due to the change in the climatic condition, also the place have been abandoned. During that time, most of the rivers were being dried up. So as a result, most of the people abandoned those places and then shifted to the south of India. Now, grains found at Harappan sites include wheat, barley, lentil, chickpea and sesame. You see. Now, grain of wheat, barley, lentil, chickpea and sesame. This point must be noted. You see, the archaeological sites also, in the archaeological sites, the grains of chickpea or the evidence of chickpea, or you can say the evidence of sesame seeds, barley and wheats were being discovered by the archaeologists. From there also it has been found out that the agriculture was much common during that time. Most of the people were in the agricultural business. Millets are found from sites in Gujarat. Finds of rice are relatively rare. You see, it has also been said that during that time rice was not much in common, but millets were common and were found in the parts of Gujarat. Animals found at Harappan sites include those of cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo and pig. From there also you can understand that pastoralism was much in common. Like for example, in some of the Harappan sites, the bones of the cattle or the remains of the cattle like sheep, goat, buffalo were also being discovered. Bones of wild species such as boar, deer and gharial are also found. Now the bones. If I say about the boar looks just like a bull. It is an ancient animal during that time. And gharial is crocodile. Deer, the bones of deer, boar and gharial, which means the crocodile, their bones were also being discovered in some of the parts of the Harappan sites, and the evidence of hunting was unknown. You see, now people used to hunt those animals or not, no one confirmed about that, but yes, the bones of the animals were being discovered during that time. But if I talk about hunting was not much common and was not being discovered in those particular sites. The archaeologist is not sure whether hunting is common in those sites or not. Bones of the fish and fowl were also found. Now, bones of the fish and fowl. Fowl means birds. The bones of the birds were also being discovered, and the bones of the fish were also being discovered, which means the people had an appetite for the veg also and for the non-veg also. Now, this map, you see, this is the map of the Harappan civilization. What are the where are the agricultural findings were being discovered? These are the areas. Some of the findings were being found. Some of the findings were being excavated in the parts of Pakistan and in the parts of India as well. You see, this is the Afghanistan part. This is the Afghanistan part and this is the Pakistan part. You see, much of the parts of Pakistan, the Harappan sites are being excavated, and this is the northern part of India. In this northern part of India also, some of the Harappan sites were also being displayed. Let me write it North India. And this is the part of Rajasthan. You see the Thar desert that we call about Rajasthan. In this part also, like one of the name, yes, Banawali is there. Banawali, the parts of Haryana is there, and Kalibangan. Kalibangan is in Rajasthan. These are the part of the Harappan civilization where the agricultural findings were being discovered. So this is the whole map. Now let me come in the agricultural technologies. Now what kind of technologies were being found out by the people there, and what kind of technologies are being used by the people during that time? You see, representations on seals and terracotta sculpture. Representation on seals and terracotta sculpture. Now you see seals. Harappan people were very much fond of doing business and trading. They used to do trading a lot. As a result, for the identification, the seals were being used. You see, in business purposes also we use seals. During that time also, just because for the identification of their own trading, seals were much prevalent during that time. And then terracotta sculpture. You see, I will be explaining much more about the seals, but right now let me give you a just normal explanation regarding seals. Why people use seals during that time? Just because for the identification of their own trading, about their own products. Now, terracotta culture. Now, what do you mean by terracotta culture? Terracotta culture, you see the pots which are made of mud, or the or you can say the dolls. During that time, the dolls, the pots, they are all made of mud. So these are the terracotta sculpture. You see, during that time, terracotta was much in common. Indicate that the bull was known, and archaeologists claim that oxen were used for ploughing. Now you see, most of the ploughing field were being discovered in Kalibangan as well, and also in Lothal in Gujarat as well. Now ploughing were mostly being performed by ox. Were mostly being performed by the animal ox. During that time, what I say, agriculture was much in common. Terracotta models of the plough have been found at the sites in Cholistan and Banawali. Now you see Banawali. Banawali is in Haryana and Cholistan is in parts of Punjab and Pakistan. It comprises both the part. Some part of Punjab and some part of Pakistan. Here also in Cholistan, the terracotta models were being excavated. Archaeologists also found evidence of the ploughed field at Kalibangan, Rajasthan. You see why this name comprises Kalibangan. You see black bangles were being excavated at the parts of Rajasthan. For that reason, that place is named as Kalibangan. Now you see the archaeologists have found ploughed field at Kalibangan as well, and the terracotta models were being found at Banawali, Haryana and Cholistan, which is parts of Punjab as well and Pakistan as well. Two different crops were grown as evidence shows that the field had two states of furrows at right angles to each other. Now, two different crops were grown together. Two different crops were grown together so that they can feed their own population. You see, during that time, people was advanced a lot. How much they were advanced that they used to grow two crops at one single field. Now furrows. You see, two sets of furrows were at right angles, which means they used to divide the field in such a way that two crops can be grown together. Most Harappan sites are located in semi-arid region. Now, in semi-arid region, you see that part is half deserted. Semi-arid region means those parts are half deserted, which means the climatic condition was quite normal. It is not much deserted as well, not much coldy region as well, but the climate was very much temperate so that people can live there. The Harappan sites were mostly discovered in the semi-arid regions, which means they were discovered in the temperate regions. During that time, the region was much temperate in nature. Where irrigation was probably required for agriculture, traces of canal have found at the Harappan site of the Shortugai in Afghanistan. Now, as agriculture was much in common in the Harappan sites or by the people of the Harappa, agriculture was much popular during that time. As a result, you see, some of the agricultural traces were being found in Shortugai, Afghanistan. In Shortugai, Afghanistan. You see, agriculture now, as I'm discussing about the agricultural technologies, much of the agricultural technologies were being discovered in Kalibangan, like the ploughed field. The ploughed field were being discovered in Kalibangan in Rajasthan and some parts of Cholistan as well, and also in the Shortugai, Afghanistan. You see, these are the important points you must keep in mind. Besides, water reservoirs were found at Dholavira, Gujarat. Now, water reservoir. During that time, people used to store water in the water reservoir, and those water reservoir were found at Dholavira, Gujarat. In the Dholavira, Gujarat, some of the water tanks were also being excavated. Those water reservoirs have been used to store water for agriculture. Evidence also claims that water drawn from wells was used for irrigation. Now, as agriculture was much common during that time, so irrigation was also much common. As a result, some evidence of the irrigation was also being discovered. You see, water drawn from the wells. Wells were also much common and were being discovered in some parts of the Harappan sites. So, irrigation was much common as well, just because the agriculture was much common. I hope you have understood about the agricultural technologies. Now, let me give you a brief information that where the agricultural technologies were being discovered and what are the places where the agricultural tools were being excavated. Now, first comes the Harappa. Now first comes the Harappa. This is the main town of the Harappa. Here comes the Maharghar, and here the Mohenjo-daro, Chahundaro, Dholavira, Lothal, Rangpur and Surkotata. Now, first comes the Harappa, the first site of Harappa which was being discovered. This is Harappa. There also some of the agricultural evidence was being discovered or the agricultural tools were being excavated, and here comes the Maharghar. You see, in Maharghar also, this is the part of Pakistan. Maharghar is in Pakistan, but Harappa comprises the India as well and the Pakistan as well. And Maharghar is fully in Pakistan. Mohenjo-daro, it comprises some parts of India, but most of the parts of Pakistan is most of the parts of Mohenjo-daro is in Pakistan. And here comes the Chahundora. Chahundora is near the Haryana side, and this is Surkotata. Surkotata is parts of Rajasthan. The northern this part of Rajasthan. And here it is Dholavira. Dholavira comprises in Gujarat. It is in Gujarat. Here comes the Lothal. The Lothal is in also Gujarat, and Rampur. Rampur comes is in the south of Gujarat. So these are the parts where the agricultural sites were being discovered. So I hope so you have understood about the agricultural technologies and also some of the information regarding Harappa. I hope so you like my video, and if you want to know any of the courses regarding Bhadra Academy, then you can contact this in this number 86383 91721. I hope you have understood, and thank you so much.